Welcome back to another video, and as you can tell by the title, I am bringing you on a little walk around the Dublin city area, Temple Bar. Because of its popularity with travelling tourism, it tends to be quite busy from time to time with foot traffic. As we crack on with this video, I'm sure you're going to check out a couple of familiar named bars such as the Hard Rock Cafe or maybe even Thunder Roads Cafe. Before you sink your teeth into the rest of this video and see what Temple Bar has to offer, I would really appreciate that if you show some love and support on the channel by getting involved in the comments, liking the videos and subscribe for more if you're interested in this kind of content. I'm really eager to provide some more and see where it can take us and your visits. Food in Temple Bar can be really varied or just downright delicious. It depends on where you fancy, but there's such a good variety on offer. You could range from pies to kebabs, right up to some good Irish stew, back over to Mexican, then down to ramen, and then finish off in Bubble Cafe. It really depends on your taste in the moment, but it just has everything. If you like the art that you're seeing in the video today, then be sure to hit the notification bell so you can stay informed on when I next upload my urban art free walk, which is available in Dublin City, that you can do based on the information I provide in the next video. The bikes that you're about to see on the right hand side here are Dublin Bike Scheme, which is a rent-a-bike, and it's available for a small fee, less than €4 per day, or a deal for a couple of days depending on your need. If you want more information on that prior to arrival, or you're just looking to check them out for a go for a day, then check out the app Now Dublin Bikes, which is on the Play Store and on iPhone. No matter where you go in Dublin, you just will not beat Temple Bar for all the vintage, unique, out there kind of clothing. It's just so full of life when it comes to clothing spots.